014 USA. Back to you.
Yes, to Alpha Whiskey 014. My code is 14 Guatemala, Tokyo. 061. 14 Germany, Tokyo. 061. My name is John. John, QSL.
QSL, very good, John. Very good to make a contact with you. 14 Germany whiskey 161 146. I'll get the numbers right here in a minute there. Definitely, I got you 5x5. You're 5x5 in the state of Tennessee. You got operator Ken, Kilo Echo November, QSL.
Okay, Mr. Jim, no problem, Jim. My code is negative. My code is 14 Guatemala, Tokyo. Number 1. My department is number 62. I know part of French, Jim, QSL.
QSL, John. The personal on this end is Ken, Kilo Echo November. The personal on this end is Ken, Kilo Echo November. Very good making contact into your country. I'm located about 20 miles north of the Music City, Nashville, Tennessee. There, John, QSL.
Mr. Ken, my position Yorkin is directive at 3 Mountain, 29 meters, my building, my ground server, Ekino, Yezu, Fox Tango 857 Delta, microphone Yezu, my pressure 100, my power 250 whiskey can,
QSL, very good. It's doing you an excellent job. Got good propagations coming out of Europe into the United States here today. Very strong. I'm working a President Jackson export radio. President Jackson export radio with a Entron 99 25 feet in the air. Also working a Turner Super Sidekick vintage microphone. Swinging at probably about 500 whiskey at you there, QSL.
QSL, Ken, no problem. Pour le Jackson, pour la vertical antenne and ground antenne. No problem, Ken. Voilà, Ken, thank you very much. 7 the 3, good day. I'll be there contacting you in frequency. To Alpha Whiskey 014, Mr. Ken. 14 good day, Ken. I'll be there. Thank you very much.
Okay, John, very good, and thank you also. It's been a pleasure making a contact into your country. All the best of wishes from my house to yours. Very happy to make the contact. It's been a pleasure on this end, and you have yourself a good one, and I hope the good luck on your DX. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 Ken, the state of Tennessee, USA. We thank you, John.